अच्छे मन में अच्छे धन रहती है means a good mind in a good body. Okay, it's a proverb. Okay, now we can go here. Ailments. Ailments means the diseases which causes our body. Okay, the diseases which causes our body. We are going to see this now. First one is ajirna. Ajirna means indigestion. Ajirna means indigestion. The second one is andapan. Andapan means blindness. Andapan means blindness. Then amblapita. Amblapita means acidity which causes in the stomach. Okay, the acidity while eating heavy food, spicy food, we cause acidity. Then angana. Angana means conjunctivitis. Conjunctivitis. Then ant utarna. Ant utarna means hiranya. Hiranya. Then god. God means leprosy. God means leprosy. Then kasi. Kasi means cough. Kasi means cough. Then karkad. Karkad means cancer. Okay, cancer. While going to the doctor, we have to know the names of the disease while he is saying the name of the disease. Then gamla. Gamla means jaundice. Gamla means jaundice. Then kasara. Kasara means measles. Kasara means measles. Then gujali. Gujali means each. Each. Gujali means each. Then astibang. Astibang means fracture. Fracture which may we know the hand fracture, bone fracture. Okay, my leg is fractured in one part. Okay, like that, fracture. Then खून की कमी. Here खून means blood. खून means blood. खून की कमी means anemia. Anemia. Okay. Then खून बहना. खून बहना means bleeding. खून बहना means bleeding. Then gala. Gala is tonsils which causes in the throat. Okay. Then gaunt. Gaunt means also tonsils. Then gav. Gav means wound. Then chakkar. Chakkar means giddiness. Chakkar means giddiness. Here cheek. Cheek means sneeze. Sneeze. Okay, while sneezing, take your handkerchief and sneeze. Okay, it is a best. Chot. Chot means injury. Chot means injury. Then zwar bukar. Zwar bukar. Bukar means fever. Okay. Then jukam. Jukam means cold. Jukam means cold. Then dama. Okay, dama means asthma. Dama means asthma. Then dard. Dard is pain or ache. Pain or ache. Here sir dard. Okay, sir dard means headache. Okay, while writing the leave letter, students can write as I am suffering from headache. Okay, sir dard. मुझे सिर दर्द हो रहा है इसलिए मुझे एक दिन छुट्टी चाहिए. So I want leave for one day, like that. Then pneumonia. Okay, pneumonia. Pneumonia means pneumonia, fever. Then nas chatakna. Nas chatakna means sprain. Okay, sprain. Here eczema. Eczema means tuberculosis. Okay, tuberculosis. Then lakava. Lakava means paralysis. Okay, lakava means paralysis. Then haiza. Haiza means cholera. Okay, haiza means cholera.